What did you say my name?
So they hate me.
Oh, just go left. Fuck.
Don't try it yet, Maggie.
We'll try it now. Interesting. It kind of just tastes like chemicals.
Okay. It just tastes like a wine cooler.
Yeah.
Margarita with red wine taste test. Hey, kid. What? Dip it in what? Could be good. I got cheese everywhere.
Okay. It's like still sweet.
Different cheese.
This is like,
Really good, right?
yeah, like perfect for how I'm feeling right now. Charlie accepts how I'm feeling now. Where'd you get that one from?
I got a 2-pack. What? Oh, that's Cinnabon?
Yeah.
I got an order of Cinnabons.
Oh. You should carry a boom pole with you. Actually, I'll just follow you always with a boom pole. I'll
Like
be your boom op.
the mixed pre.
Yeah.
I like side-eyeing the game and be like,
Oh no.
anyone else? It seems like yes. Fuck, I forgot to get the churros.
No, I didn't even like them.
Churros.
Where'd you get this poppet?
She got it here.
Scalding hot down my fucking
Yo, what?
Okay, we have an unboxing that I'm super excited about. In this box is a digital camcorder. I'm blanking on the name. It's a Sony Handycam. I'll tag the eBay shop that I got it from right here. I'll actually probably put it earlier, but yeah, here it is. Here it is. So excited. Oh my god. It came super quickly too. I ordered this on Friday and it's Monday, so. Packaged beautifully. Oh my god, it literally looks perfect. And it has a size. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Hold on. Let me look at this. Oh my god.